Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Usman. On this episode, I'll be talking about 5 lucrative digital skills you can learn in 2023. So, there are massive opportunities to make money in the digital space if you have one or more skills to offer people. So, after all, we are in a digital age and you cannot go wrong if you pick a digital skill to learn. So, before I proceed, I would like you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel by toggle on the notification by clicking on subscribe button, and please toggle on the notification bell. And I also like you to watch this episode till end to learn fully about 5 lucrative digital skills to learn in Nigeria in 2023. So if you've been thinking about learning a digital skill, especially if you are planning for the new year 20, if you want to learn one thing or the one skill or the other in 2023, you can include any of these digital skills in the list of the skills you want to acquire in 2020 so 23. So the skills I will be discussing here have changed many people's lives for the better. So they have changed people's stories. So these skills have lifted numerous people out of poverty and till date. So there are gaps to fill if you are ready to join the league. So what is digital skills? So digital skill is the ability to use digital devices like computers, smartphones, and digital cameras to solve problems and create value for people. So it is the knowledge of handling and operating digital devices to perform tasks seamlessly and provide solutions to problems. So nowadays, digital skills are worthy soft skills to have for anyone who is looking for a good paying job. And we can see in the highly competitive labor market, so those who have no their digital skills can build their jobs fair well anytime soon. So there are numerous digital skills available. So you need to think about the one you can pick easily to learn and never get tired of working with. So what makes people what makes people to like having digital skills is the flexibilities they offer and the unlimited opportunities to work with who they to work with who they want to when they want to and how they want to, so long they have internet access. So digital skills enable people to work for themselves, so they can freelance their services or on a contract basis, and they can work with anyone and get paid, like I said. So as there are numerous digital skills, so I will be picking 5 of them that in my opinions with my findings, so they are lucrative and easy to learn by anyone without getting tired, burnout so easily like that. So as for all the digital skills, so once you start any of them, you will keep updating your knowledge to stay relevant in the field. So the number one digital skills anyone can pick up in 2023, the number one lucrative digital skills you can pick up and learn in 2023 is graphic design. So graphic design involves designing and creating graphic elements for prints and screens. So graphic design is the creation of visual compositions to solve problems and communicate ideas through typography, imagery, color, and form. So it involves using design softwares like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Adobe XD, Canva, Figma, and CorelDRAW to create visual content like logos, advertisements, banners, labels, packages, UI, mockups. So, so a graphic designer designs advertisement banner for companies and individuals to create awareness about products available for sale. not limited to that. Graphic design is a broad skill. So there are different types of graphic design. So visual identity graphic design, marketing and advertisement graphic design, UI UX design, packaging graphic design, so publication graphic design, illustration graphic design, so motion graphic design. So you can start as a generalist and later specialize in one or two later on. So the first step to take if you want to pick up a graphic design as a digital skill is to acquire the knowledge. So it starts with learning and knowing basic principles of design and the theoretical side of design by reading design books, blog posts, and watching YouTube videos. So after this, you can proceed and enroll in a class online or offline. So there are design companies, schools, startups that offer graphic design training. If you don't have time to enroll in a physical class, you can go for online ones. So there are paid graphic design courses on Udemy for as low as $10. So if you cannot afford that one at the moment, you can take free ones available on YouTube. So you need to have a computer and the essential three softwares like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, InDesign installed on your lab on your computer for learning and practice. So yes, you will learn all these mentioned, at least this mentioned three softwares. So if you master them, so if you master those three softwares, you can pick up any design software easily. So if you learn and practice simultaneously and consistently in a month, so you should be able, you should be close to the intermediate level. So most of us know good designs. So when we see them, so take snapshots or screenshot of good designs you come across and replicate them when you get home. This is one of the fastest ways to learn the skills. Once you have taken the knowledge to a certain level, so build a portfolio, do free works or volunteer to design for non I mean you need to build a portfolio, and to do this you have to uh, do free works for people that you know. So people in your circle. So volunteer to design for non-profit organizations. So put the work in the portfolios to attract clients. So after that, you can build an online presence. So optimize your LinkedIn profile and start applying for junior design roles in companies. Or you can start applying for design contracts. So do you need any assistance? You can send me a mail. Please, the number two lucrative digital skill to learn in 2023 is web design. So website design involves creating, setting up, and designing web pages to communicate information with an audience. So a web designer is responsible for creating the design layout of a website or web pages. So the web designer work on brand new websites, so or updates or an existing site. So know that web design is a lucrative skill that can be picked up by anyone passionate about it enough. So a good web designer can never be out of job, as there are always available roles in companies to fill up. So and also so individuals and some corporate entities hire good freelance web designers for work. So it takes learning and consistency to become a web designer. So you can enroll in online and offline web design courses. So, and you can be a self-taught designer with free YouTube videos and Google searching. This is what the learning path looks like. You start with HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript for web design only. After that, you can learn Bootstrap and WordPress. So in less than 3 months, with consistency and practice, you should become a web designer. So the number three lucrative digital skill to learn in 2023 is digital marketing. Digital marketing is another lucrative digital skills worthy of learning in the year 2023. So in this age and time, digital marketing is a kind of marketing that focus on using online channels like email, content, and website to promote businesses and brands to reach audiences and acquire new customers. So there is high demand for skilled digital marketers now. So businesses are building their online presence, brick and mortar businesses are expanding to online space. It's cost effectiveness, so and it makes its cost effectiveness makes businesses to prefer it to traditional marketing. So learning digital marketing is easy if you want to. Google offers one of the best yet free online training available. You can take their course, the fundamentals of digital marketing, for free. So after completion of the course, so you can you proceed. You take the assessment. So if you pass, you score more than 80%. So I think you'll be issued with a certificate. So this certificate can be used to get a job, and you can work as a freelancer. So if you have a passion for marketing and want to pick up a lucrative digital skill to learn in 2023, so digital marketing is a good choice. So number four is programming. So number four skill is programming. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. You can as well toggle the notification bell to receive notification anytime I drop a new episodes. So programming is the number four skills to learn and number four lucrative digital skill to learn in 2023. So programming involves writing command syntaxes in computer languages to give a detailed instructions to computers for certain tasks to execute. So like humans, computers have languages, and but not the same with humans. So programming languages are developed to communicate with computers to pass instructions and solve problems. So being able to understand and instruct computers in languages they understand is a superpower in this age, and it gives you unlimited leverage to scale whatever you are doing. So you can automate boring tasks. It gives opportunity to solve problems and simply and inexpensively. So computer programmers code web apps, mobile apps, desktop apps, complex software to solve everyday problems and add value to people's lives. So we can say software is the lifeblood of computer hardware. So programming is another lucrative skill you can learn in 2023, like I said. So you can learn everything for free at your own pace. So there are free and paid online boot camps you can join. There are numerous YouTube videos to learn from if you are ready to. So free code camp, in my opinion, is the best free boot camp to learn computer programming. So it also has a YouTube channel for video tutorials from experts in the field of programming. So the bootcamp is really good for live coding and with consistency in 3 months. So you are a programmer. So if you are a skilled programmer and know your audience, you can never go hungry. So good programmers change jobs like socks because of the job opportunities in the space. So if you have a passion for programming, go for the skills. So number five, digital skill you can learn in lucrative digital skill you can learn in 2023 is cyber security. Cyber security is also known as computer security. So it involves processes of preventive measures for systems, networks, computers, so, and data against unauthorized access and attacks. So cybersecurity is a promising field. So we are becoming comfortable with digital payment solutions. Our health record are saved in the cloud for easy access and management. So as the adoption of technologies into our daily lives has increased, so are the threats. So if attackers, black hat or black hat hackers have under unauthorized access to our data, a lot of damages can be done in a minute. So cybersecurity is a wide field, and there are huge number of jobs. Demand for skilled cybersecurity professional so is growing faster than the rate at which people are gaining the necessary skill. So if you are interested in the skill, so you can start learning today. It takes time to become a cybersecurity professional in any area you want to specialize in. So Cybrary is a good platform for learning, and it's totally free. So assume you may not know anything about the field. If my assumption is right, so you can enroll in the free beginner course, the entry level cybersecurity course. It will open your eyes to the field of cybersecurity, and from there you will decide the next thing to do. So the learning part of cybersecurity is like this. You begin with computer and networking basics. You learn Linux OX. So you learn hacking basics, the basic terms. You learn Python language, which is a scripting language. So then pick an area of specialization. Read books and take courses in your choosing specialized field. So if you have enough money, you can invest in having a certificate like CEH, CISSP. So those are the those are the certificates people demand for. So, I mean, the employers demand for. So then you can start applying for jobs. So this is the one of the lucrative digital skills anyone can start in. You can learn in 2023. Sorry. So if you learn all these skills, so they make it easy for people to, the skills make it for people to learn, make money, grow, and become a better person and contribute to society. So they also make you become valuable in the marketplace. So if you have no digital skills, you can pick any of these because of their profitability has been proven time and time again. So if you need any assistance, you can reach out to me. You can send me to me via my email address. You can also send me a message on WhatsApp. If you check the description, you see my WhatsApp details there. So now you have the final the five lucrative digital skills to learn in 2023. So if you have contrary opinions, maybe you have experience in any of these digital skills, you can leave comments below. I would really love to hear from you. Also, you can visit my blogs, www.starthustlenow.com, to learn about side hustles and businesses. So if you need any business assistance, consulting, business plan writing, or any assistance in your business, so I can be of help. So till next time again, my name is Usman.